those simple things is knowledge. Look at, it's still counting. In this video, I'll be guiding you on step by step how to trade boom and crash and become successful as a forex trader. You know, many forex traders are struggling to build up their account. Some of them are finding it difficult for them to grow their account. So if you have small account, this video is for you because it's going to help you to build your account and become relevant in this field of trade. Alright, this strategy I'm about to show you now is a simple method that every one of you can use, and if you use it, it's going to help you, support you to build your account to become successful in this field. Now, check what I am marking out here, and it's a very simple one for every one of you. Now, I'll be teaching you on candle formation. Every one of you that want to start making money can start using that formation. Now, this one you're seeing here, I have a target. Why I put up this one here, I have a target. If you check my account, I am not on loss in any form. I am still on profit. Then why this one is counting? Because I'm using this one to target this one here. I'm using it to target this one. So it is this profit that you can see here that I'm using to build up what I'm hoping, because if there is any drop in this one, it will be 10 times or 2 times this one. So I'm using this very one to build up this particular one so that I will get something huge in this boom 300. I'm using boom 600 and boom 300 as my target. Are you there? So whatever you see that is going on, I want you to pay attention to it. Now, whenever you want to trade and you want to use boom and crash to trade, you should know and you should bear in mind, I'm talking to beginners, you should bear in mind that boom, for some of you that does not know, because I've come in contact with so many who are joining boom and crash newly, that I find it difficult to understand the movement of boom and crash, and that in that space it becomes difficult for them to know. Now, I want you to know that boom does not move like volatility. Like volatility moves this way. Follow this arrow. It moves this way in 1 minute, 5 minutes, even in 4 hours time frame. So it's moving this way and it will rise, it will go down, and it will keep coming. Then when that particular candle in 5 minutes expires, another one will come up and it will go like this, and it will keep going this way until the minute expires. So, but in boom, it does not happen that way. In crash, it does not happen that way. In crash, it moves like this. It moves straight to be counting in minutes. Then when the 1 minute expires, it moves up to 5 minutes. Then when the 5 minutes expires, it moves up to 15 minutes. It will be rising like this. Then when it moves like this, it will be counting like this. But when it wants to spike, it will not go that way. It will move like this at once. So, but if that thing happens in the same minute, it will still be counting in this place. Like if this candle spike in 1 minute, in 15 minutes, and that 15 minutes have not expired, it will continue to be counting inside that spike until the 15 minutes expires. That is one thing I want you to understand. I want you to understand it very, very clearly. So when you want to make money using boom and crash, then pay attention to higher time frame. This is what I showed you. As this thing we are moving in that direction, this very one, this candle, as it is moving in that direction, then the thing spiked. Since it has not expired in 4 hours time frame, it will continue until the 4 hours time frame is done. So take note of that. Now, if you want to make money using this boom and crash, please use this method. It's going to help you to build your account. Go and look for a support and resistance zone. Pay attention to those places. If you want to be consistent, if you want to make money accurately without losing much, please go and look for a higher time frame in go and look for resistance and support zone in higher time frame, which is what we call price action. Then when you get that in, like the one we have here, like you can see, I personally placed trade here. Look at it. So if you check what I did not place trade at the end of this place. Look at it. I did not place trade down here. I did not place trade here. I placed trade at the last resistance areas, which is this place. Check it, so that you will not say that I am deceiving you. Check it. So I did not place my trade at the end of the week. I mean, where the week started. Look at it. So I placed my trade at the end. So this is the weak areas, but I focus more on those areas where there is strength, because whatever the market is doing, these weak areas is a sign and presence of sellers, buyers. So since it is buyers that are moving this market, and they were able to stop at this place, please, I want you to understand it. They were able to stop at this place before the time expires, which means they are still in the market, they are still in position, they are still trending. So it is important you should know this and have that at the back of your mind. So when you are looking forward to get a buy, you should pay attention to get that market that is trending, mostly from the higher time frame. For some of you that did not understand what I said, please get it clear. I said go and look for resistance and support area, which is the price action in the higher time frame. And how did you do that? You will do that by focusing on the areas of rejections countless time, at least 4, not just 2 is not enough. 2 can also be strong, and most times in your lower time frame, 2 can easily get 2 can easily go back, but in higher time frame, 2, 3, 4 is a very strong one, that if the 4 did not break out immediately, that is to say that there is a sign and signal for reversal. Please take note of that. So let's count this one. We have 1 rejection, 2, 3. Then these ones here, they are subsequent one, but the strong one again is this place. So I placed my trade here because I know that while this market is moving, if there is a rejection there, that it is possible that it will still come back to this place again. And by so doing, I still have a chance of taking something out of that very market. Take note of that. It's not as hard as you feel like. So that is one way to place a trade in boom and crash. So what are you doing here? You'll be placing trade, expecting a reversal from this very market that have been trading for a period of time. So your attention should be drawn. So if this market should get here now, I will wait. I'll place more trade. If it start going back again, I'll place more trade. Are you getting it? I'll place more trade. So while I wait, if that happens, have you seen it have dropped again, but not that strong? Have you seen it? It has dropped again, but not that strong. Have you seen it? So, but if that happens, because my attention is not just on this small one that is dropping, if it moves a little bit back to this place now, I'll be placing additional 4 positions, and that 4 positions, I'll close this one and leave one, because by that time, one of them now have a huge strength that can carry this thing. So if it moves from there back to this place, it will not touch here, but I still have something that will cover the one. Then I've closed with huge profit already. Then from there, I'll be expecting it to go down to this place. Don't believe that it will just go straight to that place. No, sometimes it will have a little challenge, and it will keep moving until it gets to that place. So when these things are going on, don't be in a hurry to place your trade. Can you see it has dropped another bigger one again? Can you see it? Can you see it? So when you are placing trade, you need to pay attention to what the market is. Now, as you can see, that even this one is still struggling. This very one here is still struggling, but there is strength on it. So Let's just check what is going on. There is still strength on it, and my predictions are always right. Look at it. My predictions are always right, though it went too far to this place, but I am still in the game. Now look at it. I'm still in the game. So though it went too far, check it. It went too far. So I'm still hoping that this market will still rise to my expectation. Look at it. So one of the mistakes forex traders are making is that when they want to place a trade, they don't have safe guide. Like, they don't make plans to protect their capital. They will just open the whole positions. No, you don't need to do that. You need to be careful and be watchful. You need to know when the market will be okay for you, and you must set a target to protect your account. Whatever this market is doing, I am still, even if I close every bit of it, I am still on profit. So if you have a market that is too volatile, if you have a market that is too volatile that the drop and the rising and the falling is so heavy, please don't be in a hurry to place a trade carelessly. Make sure you secure a means to protect your account. That is one thing people don't really know. Make sure you secure a means to protect your account. If this thing should drop to my expectations, as this is how we'll raise more accounts and build it to become something huge. Now, if this thing should drop now, it will give these ones a balance, but I'm risking these ones to get this one. But some of you will not have any plan to build a structure that will safeguard your account. You will go and be trading on boom 500, boom 300, and crash 300, and the speed will speedily clear your account without any protections. Please don't do that. It's very, very risky, and you cannot grow when you are using that method. It is true that you may be lucky that the moment you place your account, you will see a rush, like 2 drops immediately, piam piam. And when that happens, you feel like you are doing well. Then the question is, what if it did not drop at the moment you place your trade, and the market is rushing so speedily and your account is vanishing away? I mean, your capital. At that point, you are making a huge mistake. So this is one of the steps for you to start creating wealth. So go to boom 500, crash 1000. Look at it, it's still dropping. Look at it, it's still dropping. Can you see it? It's still dropping. So go to your this thing. Look at it, it's still dropping. Use any of these things I've mentioned now. Look at this one, is still moving on, while this one is increasing. So how do we become richer, and how do we become richer in forex? Like, as I've set up these ones now as a target. So if this one now should follow my direction now, that is to say that this thing will not have any choice than to move from that circle it is to at least a minimum of $60 to $80. Then I'll be done for the day without missing out anything. So even if I decide to close all of them, I am not on loss. And bear this in mind, like I've warned you in my previous videos, don't think because you are losing your trade that you are losing your trade that you are not doing well. There is no professional on earth that does not lose money. Forex is a journey of probability. You can be on profit, you can be on loss. And I've warned you, all this idea of all you see on Forex on YouTube is success, success, success. And for that reason, you see yourself as one who is a loser. That is not true. That is not true. You are not a loser. The difference there is that they have not showed you the area they cry. They have not shown you the pains. They only see you this. They only show you the stories, the success. So ask them to open up to you and show you the real account. You will know that you are trying. Some of them are losing millions. Like I was telling some of my students. Look at it. It's still moving. Like I was telling some of my students how I was losing. Are you seeing it now? Now look at how we become richer on forex trading. Can you see it now? Can you see it? Please, I want you to see these things with your eyes. This is, at least this one now is happening right before you. This one is happening right before you, right before your eyes. And some will say, it's not possible. And so for any one of you, like I'm telling you that this is one of the ways to build your account. For any one of you that want to be successful in forex trading, you should remove these doubts. You should remove this fixed mindset of trying to coin realities to become fake. Because can you see what is going on? Can you see what is, at least you are watching this one now, it's not fake. At least it's going on right before your eyes. You can see it is happening. At least some of you saw it when it was red. Some of you can see everything now is becoming. Can you see? Just watch it. Just watch it. Look at it. Look at it. So I told you that the Boom 300 is faster and it has high volatility. Look at it. It can be faster than Boom 600 and even Boom 300. If I place this thing now, like the ones I have here now, if this thing should be Boom 500, what you should be seeing here now is $13. But because it's too volatile, it has high speed. Look at it. So at least I was able to show you live before you now that this is what we are doing. Look at it. I was holding this market from this direction. From this direction. Look at where it is now. It is going to my direction. So nothing happens so easily. Can you see it's still dropping? Nothing happens so easily. Just follow this video from the very crash and from this crash, and you will see that to become a forex trader, all you need is one good strategy. Strategy is not indicators. Strategy is not indicators. I keep warning you, strategy is not indicators. Look at it. Strategy is not indicators. Forex traders, here GDFX. Strategy is not indicators. Strategy to know when to protect your account and know how to manage your account is one of the best strategy any forex trader can use to become profitable. Can you see it? So you grow your account using a simple method, and when you use this method, you guide it. Now, number two, if you want to be successful, make sure you go and look for capital. This idea of using $10 to become a millionaire is possible, but it will take time. So every one of you can do the same thing I am doing. Even the lowest trader can do this thing. But the difference is that we have grown to know when to guide, when to hold. Like when this one was around $10 lost, this one, it was at a point, it was $10 lost, this trade position. So these ones we are accumulating $30 lost. But I was holding. So it was easy for me because my equity can carry it. Then when I first create a platform, I first create a backup. These ones were my backup. So I create it to use this to sustain myself in case this one didn't go as planned, because I know that this one is so fast and has speed. So when you want to trade boom and crash and you want to trade forex to become successful, I think it is important for you to know, one, look for a resistant areas like these ones. I'll keep showing you. Look for the resistance areas. The same thing I'm showing you is what I am doing. I'm not deceiving anybody. Look at it. Look at it. The first one is this one. Second is this one. So I went on the third one. So I allowed it to cross this line. I allowed it to move back first. Then I entered at this middle place just to make sure that I will not be wrong. Though while I was waiting, it went against me, but I know that markets of these structures can always go back. So because at this point, if it crossed this one and it crossed this one, so I was wrong. It moved and I crossed this. I was watching it, even this one, I was waiting for 15 to 30 minutes before this one starts dropping. But did it go to my direction? The answer remains yes. Look at the same thing that you saw earlier that was red, now is on blue. And I'm smiling. And I'm smiling. It's still dropping. Look at it. And I'm smiling. So, for some of you that want to be successful, please remove this mindset of these things are fake. These things are not real. How can it be possible? How can somebody be doing those things? And with that mindset, you'll be seeing yourself that you are wrong, because anything you does not appreciate cannot appreciate you. It's just like they used to say that any anointing you don't respect cannot anoint you. You know? So look at this thing. So if I decide to close this trade now, I am closing with roughly $150. Look at it. It can solve my problem at the moment, depending on what I have as a project. Look at it. Everything is moving. So don't feel like, now what method can any trader use to do this thing? As simple as anything you can think of. Go to your higher time frame, look for resistance and support areas. If you are doing scalping, look for it below like this, look for it. Then if you want to catch a spike, like I love to catch a spike, look for it from this direction. Any backward move will safeguard you. No indicators, nothing. Then for some of you that love to use this thing, this acceleration oscillator. So for some of you may be deceived, because right before here, this thing is not in this place, but I'm making money out of it. So for some of you that want to hold until you see that the histogram moved back to this place, you may be deceived, because this thing you are seeing is still up like this, but the candle is moving backward. So when you are doing these things, you may be deceived. When you rely on indicators, like some of you are rushing to trade with indicators, you want to trade with indicators, look at it, you may be highly disappointed. Look at it. I seen it. So pay attention to this. Just use this. Just pay, even if it takes you 2 days to find this thing. This thing I'm showing you here is mentorship course. Just do it and you will notice how fast this market can be. So for some that says where is the indicator or you are using, the indicator I'm using is candle formation. Look for a resistance area, which is the price action, where the action of the price stopped, where the market moved at some point and it stopped. Look for it and place your trade. Then if you want to master this thing, like I will take you hand in hand and take you to where to become just like me. Please, I'm giving you just speed opportunity to join me in my mentorship, because I will show you how you can do this thing just like me. It's very simple. Let me repeat. If you want to do this thing I am doing, like you want to do this thing I'm doing, join me and it's going to happen. Watch this video from the very beginning and see how this thing we are once on a huge loss and later become a success today, and it will continue. Can you see it's still dropping? Just watch how this thing can become a huge success. Just watch how this thing becomes a huge success. Look at it. Is this thing a joke? No, it's not a joke. It's just a matter of simple knowledge that you have upstairs. Then can you see it is now $200. Watch what is going on. This thing is not $200. Watch it. It's not $200. Just watch what is going on. Just by following a simple method. Did you see me add 10,000 indicators crossing from head to toe? Did you see me do that? The answer is no. And this is one thing, this is the challenge I'm having with some of my students. When you try to open them up to the realities of Forex, they will doubt you. They will say this thing is not true. Did you see any indicator? Look at, it's still dropping. Did you see any indicator here? Did you see any parameters? Did you see me using moving average, Bollinger Band, alligator, or whatever? Did you see me use any of them? Just candle formation, and it is paying off. Look at it. Look at it. So what is stopping you? What is stopping every single trader to do the same thing? No, they will not do it, because they have believed that when you use moving average, because some of the app you read, some of the ebooks you read is telling you to follow this thing, but follow the reality, they will not. So if you want to do the same thing I'm doing, if you want to do the same thing, I'm giving you my word that I will follow you hand in hand and make sure that even if it takes you 5 months, I will follow you hand in hand to guide you to become a successful Forex trader. I will tell you how to do it. I will show you when to know the particular candle that will be dropping and how to follow it. Because the more you follow all those things, the more you watch too many videos on YouTube and you become so confused and you start trading with your hard-earned money and lose out in this journey. Forex is possible. Trading is real and it can feed you and change your story. I can continue to use this thing. I can continue to do this thing. One funny thing about this thing is that some don't know when to stop. Some don't know that they can trade in a day and never trade again for 3 days. Some of them trade at their convenient time, and that is one of the reasons. Anyway, when I see you in a mentorship, I will guide you on the right way to follow. Can you see? Can you see? Please, I hope somebody is watching this video. Can you see what is going on? At least pay attention to this thing. I told you that this thing will give you 2 times of what this one can give you when you start dropping. Just watch it. Just watch it. Some of you saw, at least you are seeing it rise before your eyes. Watch it. It's now 222. It's going, it's still counting. This one now moved from 1. Look at it. This one now moved from $892 to $1,100, and it's still counting. And if I leave this video, is long. Wow, it's too long. It's too long. I can't continue holding this video anymore. I have to crop this video because somebody's watching it. And now look at this one. This one have also dropped. Look at this one. Look at it. It have dropped also from $18 to $24. So what will it take a man to see those things? It's knowledge. What will it take you to see those things? It's knowledge. Look at it. Look at it. What will it take a man to see those simple things? Is knowledge. Look at, it's still counting. Knowledge. Nothing else, nothing more. Nothing attached to it. Just get the right knowledge and you'll be on money. Just get the right knowledge for yourself. You can do this thing. A simple guide to become a Forex millionaire. A simple guide. So stop wasting your energy. Stop frustrating yourself. Stop forcing things to happen when you know you don't have the right direction. You can do this thing, my dear. You can do it. So I don't think I can hold this video any longer because I will still allow this thing, because this one now, let me show you what I'm expecting. This one now have gotten to the direction of which I'm expecting. So if it will be moving further, the direction will be here. But it still have 8 minutes from my time. So it can still move to this direction within the space of 8 minutes before this candle will expire. Are you getting it? So if you're looking forward if I'm expecting more trades, then I will, this one now, I'm still expecting something from here. At least it to get to this direction, this place. When it gets to this place, then I'll be opening more trade few minutes after this one, at least 4 more positions, then allow it to get to this point. But before then, I will know how strong the next candle, if it will try to retrace back to this place. And with that, I will now know where and how to go about it. Forex is simple with the right knowledge. My name is GDFX, and you can do just the same thing I am doing. You can do just the same thing I am doing. Look at it. One, from a little thing to $274. Just as simple as that. Anybody can do the same thing. Anybody can do it. I mean, you can do it. It's possible. You can. You watch this one arise. The reason I don't do those things is because most times when new traders are watching it, sometimes it makes them to feel as if that they are not doing well. So that is why I have not been posting videos of this type in my channel. But I've come to realize that most times it encourages traders to do so and helps them to know that it is possible for one to become successful. My name is GDFX, and I want you to subscribe to our channel, share this video. If you have knowledge, who should I accept? One, if I've been trading and you have not been making consistent profits, please chat me up privately immediately. Make a financial commitment, because without you paying something, you will not take this thing serious. I've stopped teaching people for free. Without making financial commitment, you will not take it serious. That's number one, people that I want to accept. If you know you have been trading and you are losing, you make profits, the losses is higher than the profit, chat me, make financial commitment. Instead of you to deposit that money and waste it away, I suggest you should use that money, get the right knowledge, then enter market again. That is one thing you should do. Like, come up. I don't charge people for mentorship because like I'm in trouble, like I need money. No, that thing is called commitment fee. That is what I call it, commitment fee, because I also use the same money they paid to build them up. So it is called commitment fee, because if I want to charge you for the benefit, like there is one guy, he paid me little, but the profit he showed me few days of mentorship is 10 times higher than what he paid me. And he said, thank you. And that is all I require from you, just appreciation. That is all I require from you, not just the money. Not just the money. Like if I can make $250 per trading, how much will you pay me that can solve my problem? So so all we need from you is commitment. Then number two, if you are new to Forex and you know too well that you don't really know the knowledge, that you don't really have the knowledge, that you started trading. So, and the one funny thing is that some people that don't have the right knowledge are the one teaching others. It's so painful that you have not seen like you have not seen me with flashy cars, houses. I've not shown it here. Doesn't mean that we are not doing well. God is helping us. We don't want to drag people, maybe make them feel that you can use Forex to build house within a space of 6 months. That is not true. Except that you raise a huge capital that can help you double up whatever capital that you have. So that is one of the things. So if you know you are new to Forex, chat me up. Let me help you. If you know you have been trading for 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, and yet you are not making profits, you just make, you lose, you make, you lose, you make, you lose. Chat me, let me help your life, because God has raised up to be of strength and encouragement to others. My name is GDFX. Let me see you on my chat, and I will support you in any way I can, but you must pay. That is a must. You must pay. Don't come to me as if I'm the one that will be causing you to lose all this while. Please avoid me. Don't come to me as if I am the one that have been responsible for the losses you have been making all this one. Please avoid me. Just come to me with a mindset that you need help and you make a commitment fee. Let's have an agreement and I will help you. I will support you in any way I can. Just give yourself 2 weeks to 1 month and see how you will experience changes in your Forex trading. GDFS, I so much love you and appreciate you so much. Thank you. God bless.